Good morning, everyone, and good morning, sir. Today I'll be going to discuss about to discuss and demonstrate the web design with the XHTML and CSS. So, as you can see here, we have a simple set of codes for a web design. But before I'm going to show you the output, let me explain to you the differences in this code with HTML and XHTML. Now, as you can see in this line, which we imported an image, you can see this slash at the end or before closing. This is called empty elements. Empty elements such as line breaks or images must be self-closing with a trailing slash, or like this one, or slash. In HTML, some empty elements may not have the closing slash, but in XHTML, it is required. So, when I first writing an XHTML, I thought it is more like HTML, but strict. I forgot about this kind of aspect in XHTML, that before you're going to close something which has or which such line breaks or images or images, you need to have a slash at the end or before you're going to close, so that it identify as self-closing. Because if you don't try to put a slash in this, there will be an error. For example, as you can see, it says the page contains the following errors. Error on line 24 at column 13. So, error at line 24, which is here, the line that we remove a slash. So if we put a slash in there, it will run smoothly, or it will have the output smoothly. Now, in this upper part, these are the basic structure for XHTML, and this will be reported by the other group. What are the meaning of this set of lines, basic set of lines when you are going to write a new XHTML code. And other thing that I noticed in XHTML is that it is case sensitive. So, for example, here in header 1, we try to capitalize the letter H. Save that. In HTML, it will run, or it will be considered as okay. But in XHTML, since it is case sensitive, when you try to capitalize when something is being capitalized, for example, header 1, it will not see. It will you can see it, but it is, I think, in default mode, because this is not the output that I want. It will display, yes, but it will not follow a set of styles, because the H here is being capitalized. So When we change it back, change it back. See, it is now in a place or in a style that we want. So I think that's are the things that you might want to consider when writing an XHTML and CSS in web designing. And for me, it's more like basically HTML but stricter. And also, uh, you need to be aware when you're trying to break when you try to put a break line, or when you when you are putting an or importing an image, you must have this slash at the end. So I think that's all. Thank you, and thank you for listening.
So, hello and good day everyone. I am Elvin Mainopas and today I will perform the creation of web pages, editing and viewing in a browser. So, before ko proceed sa code, so unsa gid ang XHTML? So, unsa ang difference nila between HTML? So, XHTML or Extensible Hypertext Markup Language is a markup language that defines the structure and presentation of content on the web. It is a application of XML or Extensible Markup Language, which is a flexible and extensible language for creating structured documents. So, see, HTML it has a more forgiving syntax tags are not case sensitive, and it allows certain elements to be open or closed without a strict adherence to XML rules. So while si XHTML is nagafollow siya sa mga syntax based on XML. XML tags must be written in a lowercase and they must be properly nested and closed. So medyo stricto si XHTML. So the next is proceed na ta sa code. So here's sa VS Code. So mo ni siya ang example sa XHTML. So mo ni akong title sa homepage. Then CSS, may CSS, mga CSS. And also ang example sa XHTML. So meron siya. Mo ni siya ang XHTML. So same ra gyapon sa contacts CSS. Ano siyang CSS? May title ako contact us. Then ang header 1 niya is contact us, which is the title. Then ang mga navigate niya na home o contact us, clickable din ni siya. Bali, nakaseparate lang ni sila. Separate og HTML. So, mo ni siya ang XHTML. So, now let's proceed sa sa mismong output na ni na code. So, here. So, this is the home page. So, parang home page. So, this is the home page. So, your website name. So, katong kuan, mo ni siya. Website name. Website name. Which is the header 1. Then, HTML page 1. Then also, the first name, katong kuan sa mga, katong kuan sa adera, form. So, mo ni siya ang kuan sa XHTML. Gabot sa output. Mo ni siya. First name, last name, then the submission or submit. So, mo ni siya. Ang kan bali naka CSS na ni siya. So pag i-click na to si homepage lang gyud na siya. So kung i-click na to si contact us, mato siya sa contact us. Same ra gyapon siya sa kuan sa sa home kaso lain lang naray dadungan dali. So kung ibalik na ko siya sa home, mali siya diri. So that's all for today. So thank you for watching. Bye-bye.